Now I would like to explain that to implement and perform some basic operations on queue data structure, first we use init constructor for class myQueue that initialize instant attributes like queue data, front, rear, max. Queue data is a variable that holds data of queue. Front is and rear set1 minus we cannot initialize the value of top to 02 is valid index in Python. Max is size of the stack or mag element which a queue can hold. We construct class myQueue, define self.front, self.rear, self.max, and we using full function. It takes self as reference argument for the objects. Then if the rear is pointing the last data of the stack using or logic operator equal to, then it returns. If def is full, we returns self.rear equal to self.max minus 1. If yes, it returns true, it returns false. Otherwise, if def is empty, reference argument for the objects. If the front index is not yet incremented to -1, def is empty, it returns self.front equal to -1. If front is -1, the value returns true. False returns false. Otherwise, it takes do enq. It uses do enq of function self and the value to be inserted into the queue. If it's true, then print a message called queue is full. If queue is not empty, increment rear by 1 and it's insert the given data in the index rear queue is doesn't do enq. If it is full, self is full, then print queue is full. Else if self.front equal to -1, self.front equal to 0, self.rear equal to 0, self.queue data, else self.rear equal to self.rear. Then if check the if queue is data is empty using is empty method, then print a message called empty queue. Else assign the value to be removed to the variable data. Then if front equal to rear, queue has only one element, then it reset queue by setting front and rear to -1 and it's return the data. If front equal to rear, increment front and count the return data. Def equal to do enq, print empty queue. Then if queue is empty using is empty method, if it is false, it prints elements in the queue using for loop that runs is in the range def display. Then it creates an object s equal to myQueue, myQueue3. Now using an infinite while loop, we have enq, dq, display, any other input, exit. Now we can use else if and else statement to check each condition. We call the function to the input from the user. Then it prints the enq, dq, display and any other. Then it's use character input, enter the value to be inserted. Then it s equal to do enq operation. If else if character equal to 3, it displays the character. Else it can break and stop the program.